The device from Asus Chromebit. Sebastian, yes. The camera is a bit low.
Oh.
We have to push it up.
Okay.
Better. I've learned a new magic trick.
Magic trick?
Yeah.
What trick?
Should I show you?
Show me.
Okay. I close the door.
Okay.
Look to me that you can see the door is closed.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Ta-da!
Awesome trick. Awesome.
Awesome. Good evening, guys. It's a little bit dark here because it's not even late. It's like 4 o'clock. But here in Germany the weather is kind of bad, and so sorry for the lightning. Last week we unboxed this device and talked a little bit about that.
Today we want to show you how to set your Chromebit into a digital signage player with Kiosk Mode. Yeah, the Kiosk Mode is for protecting your digital signage player from anyone who want to access it with a keyboard. So if you set it up into Kiosk Mode, you cannot leave the digital signage app or any other app you set up.
So imagine if I have a restaurant and I have there two displays and the Asus Chromebit. Should I use this Kiosk Mode?
Yeah, definitely. First, as I already mentioned, it protects the system to be manipulated from the outside, and if you have a power breakdown maybe in your restaurant, it will boot up and start the Vimeo player or any other digital signage player again without any user interaction.
Okay, the Kiosk Mode sounds very interesting, Sebastian, but first we should install this thing, right? Yeah, welcome back! Now we are at our main display, and I can see it's still in Dutch like last week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why? By now we have no explanation for it, but I think we are able to set it up.
Okay.
And change the language. First of all, you can choose how to set it up. You can take a wireless keyboard like this, or you can set it up with a Bluetooth keyboard. You can sync it with a screen. Mike, can you connect the USB dongle?
Of course.
We are using a basic Logitech wireless keyboard and mouse combination to set it up. So after connecting it, you see the Chrome is recognizing a mouse and a keyboard. Okay, so my Dutch is not the best, but I think there's only one button. So let's continue. Okay, second screen, we have to select our language. We'll change it to English. Now we have to connect to any network before you can continue, because without a network connection you cannot log into a Google account, and yeah, you cannot use Chrome. After connecting successfully, we are able to continue to the next point, and now the standard Google Chrome OS terms, you know them from different operation systems when you started it for the first time. We just accept and go ahead. And now we are at the login interface, and now the first very important point, we have to enable the Kiosk Mode for digital signage or any other use case here before entering our Google account. Because if you already enter it, you are not able to activate this mode, and you have to reset the device, and you have to start from beginning. So for this you have to press Ctrl, Alt and K. So after pressing these three buttons, a new window will appear with automatic kiosk mode, and yeah, you have an information enabling the setting allows kiosk application to launch automatically on startup. Okay, we want to enable it. Now everything is configured with kiosk mode, and we can continue with logging in. After a successful login to my Google account, yeah, at first what I recognized when I first in my first experience with Chrome is it synchronized every data from my Google account with you have your tabs. When I now open the Chrome, I have all my tabs here by default. I have nothing to set up, but not so important for us in this case. Now we have to download our digital signage software. For this we have to enter the Chrome Web Store. So we go on the little button at the bottom left. It's not appearing here, okay, so click on all apps and go on Web Store. So the Chrome Web Store is, currently it's a web store for all Google applications and extensions for every operation system, for Windows, Linux and Mac OS. In the future the web store will only be available for Chrome OS. So now we select our digital signage software, add it to our Chrome device. So at the bottom right you can see the download progress. We have to wait a short time. Now it's installed. Next we have to enable or set our digital signage software as a kiosk app. So per default you have to set it as a kiosk app when developing it, but you have to enable the auto start for the app in the Chrome OS. For this you have to go on Chrome, extensions, call this URL just in the Chrome browser. Next you have to enable the developer mode at the top. And now you have a new point, managed kiosk applications. Okay?
Okay.
We can see there is no kiosk application added yet. For this you need the web store URL or the application ID. In our case we already installed the app, so we can scroll down to our digital signage app. And here you see the application ID. We just copy it. And now go on managed kiosk applications again. Paste this ID. Now the Vimeo player is added as a managed kiosk application. When you go with the cursor on this app, a new button appears set to auto launch, and this is the option when you disconnect it from power and connect it to the power again, that it's automatically started. So
does it work with other digital signage software as well?
Yeah,
with Vimeo?
the requirement is that your digital signage app is marked as a kiosk app. There's a config file in the app before uploading it, and you have to enable the kiosk mode. Otherwise, you cannot set it here.
Okay.
So you can enable this function too. When you set it up to a permanently kiosk mode device, you cannot exit the application anymore. You have to reset the Chromebit completely, and then you can access it again. We keep it unmarked, and now everything is prepared. Last thing is you have to log out. Okay, now I click on log, sign out, and now a small window appear. Auto launch permission requested. So the application requests permission to automatic start for every boot up. We confirm it, and now the Vimeo application for the first time it will be initialized, and now our digital signage application is running in kiosk mode. So now let's add some content on it, register it in the CMS to show you some content. Let's check if everything is So Mike, let's check if everything is working as expected.
Okay, should I disconnect this?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay, let's see.
So now it should start automatically again. You
Yeah.
see, at the bottom there's a small information with Control Alt S. You are able to cancel this process. If you want to be sure, enable the permanently Kiosk Mode, and yeah, the application will run 24 hours, 7 days a week.
So basically, I would say it's like any other digital signage device, because it's as easy as other devices we've tested.
Yes.
But what are the advantages of Asus Chromebit now?
Yeah, the Chrome OS is made for digital signage, so you can easy install or set it up easily without any restriction. For example, if you buy the Vimeo signage box, it's made for Vimeo. Okay.
Okay.
But if you download any digital signage app from the web store, you have the same result. If you have a different system, you use a different digital signage system, you can set it up very easy, independent from the digital signage system.
I would say the Asus Chromebit is a device for rather small solutions. And are there any other devices with Google Chrome OS?
Yes, for example, you have 3 more devices from Asus, Asus Chromebox. I don't know the exact hardware specifications, but it's the smallest Chromebox is more expensive than the Chromebit, but I'm sure you have more CPU power, you have more memory, and yeah, it's more for a professional solution. But
for example?
Yeah, if you want to display complex content with, maybe you have HTML5 content with many videos, the Chromebit will reach the limit much earlier than the Chromebox.
You're really excited about the Asus Chromebit.
Yeah, definitely. It's a small solution, easy to set up, full HD resolution. So I think a very good digital signage device for beginners.
It's really recommended by Sebastian, the Asus Chromebit. Check it out, the link is in the description. In the future we will compare the Asus Chromebit with a open Chromebox, and we will find out which device is the better digital signage solution for which project. Like this video or subscribe us. Otherwise, don't do it, and we'll see us in the next video. Bye.
Bye.